The thing that makes the physics program at Dickinson unique is we're not just a department, we're a family. The faculty and the students, we have a very close relationship. I mean, we even have a first name basis with the professors.
Our program is very hands-on, and students do physics. That's how they learn it.
If you have trouble with a homework problem, but your professor for that class isn't there, you can often just knock on another professor's door, and they'll willingly help you. That's what they really want from their students, is to be able to have those conversations about physics and talk about it intellectually.
I've done a lot of research in the department, and it's amazing how quickly opportunities open up if you just start talking to professors.
Oftentimes, a student presents his or her research at a national conference or co-authors a paper with a faculty member. That is really unique to a place like Dickinson. I don't think that's possible at a larger institution.
One of the fantastic opportunities that we have here in the Physics and Astronomy department is the fact that we have a 24-inch telescope that is completely automated, and it's right here on the roof of our building. We also have the opportunity to take students to Flagstaff, Arizona twice a year. It's part of the National Undergraduate Research Observatory, and it is a 30-inch telescope at Lowell Observatory.
Students can be taught how to use this planetarium and make their own shows. It's a great learning experience because there's a science, but there's also an art. Being able to put those two together is very important.
We've got a unique pedagogy for the first 2 years of the curriculum, the workshop physics, and then a lot of hands-on activities in the second year. And it really gets the students involved in actually doing the experiments, spending time with the faculty, talking about those experiments.
The summer after my first year, I actually did research.
I did research over the summer with Catrina on a student-faculty research grant, so I was actually paid.
Well, as a senior, we're required to do research, so I am working with another student on the physics of ultrasound.
There's a lot more camaraderie, I think, among students than in many other departments, partially because we have difficult homework assignments. So you end up just like, oh, late at night, you know, maybe it's 1 in the morning, and then you just all become friends.
Yeah. We call it our home. Tome is home. Tome is where the heart is, all that fun stuff.
And of course, there's no place like home.
The physics department here has both the astronomy club, which I'm the president, and the physics club, which does all sorts of experiments.
Just the right mix of creativity, imagination, and just very highly analytical thinking. That's really the reason why I came to Dickinson.
You can go anywhere and solve problems, just use your equations, but actually be able to talk about the physics and use those concepts in real life, you'll have a better understanding and be able to share that with the world.